Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 EX. I'll be nice and quick outside because it's very windy. I do apologize for that. I'm going to try to block the wind for the camera. Ugh. Beautiful back seat area. So this is ash blue interior color package. Absolutely awesome. This is ebony black with the ash blue. Total price of $29,205. I do believe. Oh, bloody Nora! It's cold out there. I do believe you can get a EX premium package. Has all this redone. Even as it sits though, it's absolutely awesome. Right. Let's go ahead. Oh, I didn't show you the backup camera. There we go. Let's go ahead and take it out on the road. Now I just drove the all-wheel drive version. That one was a GT line. So hopping back into the front-wheel drive, it's kind of fun to compare and contrast sometimes. Obviously the front drive is a little bit cheaper. I think an all-wheel drive EX model is going to run you close to the 33. I have to double check on that because I've never done an exact spec out between them, but that should be about where it's at. When the K5 GT comes out, that will probably be close to the 40, or at least 35 for your beginning GT. Not bad acceleration at all. And you do have steering assist. Man, that wind is brutal today. Compared to the all-wheel drive, the front drive does have a little bit more understeer, and it does struggle with traction just a little bit more. But honestly, that's to be expected, and it's still a very, very nimble chassis. Plenty of handling to go around some of the corners around here. I can't complain at all. I'll go ahead and lag back so we can get the last two corners. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.